Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're here to talk about the installation of our FyreSHIELD Australian-made certified fire-rated access panel range. Installation of the FyreSHIELDs is quite straightforward. Out of the box they come with installation instructions and a spare key. First step of installing the FyreSHIELD access panels is to install a bead of sealant to the perimeter of the frame. With that step complete, we're ready to install the frame into the wall. So with the frame sitting in the wall, the next step is to fix it in place using minimum 8 gauge all steel anchors to each fixing hole in the frame. After the frame is screwed into the wall, remove all traces of excess sealant. So once you've got the frame fixed in, the next step is to seal the rear of the frame into the opening with a small 15 by 15 mm fillet of sealant. The final step is to adjust the door and make sure it sits square in the frame. So, as you can see, if the hinges are set incorrectly or if the opening isn't quite square, the door will sit skew in the frame, which will cause aesthetic problems. Fixing this is very simple on the FyreSHIELD range because of the adjustment screws built into the hinges. Simply wind the adjustment screws, close the door to check for square, The Trafalgar FyreSHIELD is tested in a range of fire-rated walls from speed panel to Hebel to single layer plaster and more. Follow the links in the description for all of the other information on the products and other Trafalgar systems, and thank you.